Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dendy Ary Nugroho from E1 class and A1 offering. And today I want to present a thing about the use of screwdriver. First, what is screwdriver? Screwdriver is a tool, manual or power, used for screwing or installing and unscrewing or removing screws. There are five types of screwdriver. There are several models of screwdrivers used around the world. The types that are very common in Indonesia are the Phillips model, which is popularly called a plus, and slotted screwdriver, which is often called a minus screwdriver. Other types of screwdriver used in other countries include Torx or hexagon stars, hex or hexagon, and Robertson or square. Size of screwdriver. Screwdriver only divided into three sizes. They are small, medium, and large screwdrivers, but not different from the key tools. Screwdrivers also have a unit of measure. The screwdrivers have a size based on the blindness of the eye. For example, 1 times 75 means eye plus point with a handle length of 75 millimeters. Meanwhile, 2 times 100 means the screwdriver blade is blunter than the first example with a handle length of 100 millimeters. As for the flathead screwdriver, the unit of measure is easier. For example, the size of 5 times 75, which means a screwdriver tip width of 5 millimeters with a screwdriver length of 75 millimeters. The use of screwdriver must pay attention to the accuracy of screwdriver blade if the screw, so that the screw head is not easily damaged. The length or the shortness of the screwdriver also needs to be adjusted to the space available. Here is the parts of screwdriver. First, the handle. The shape and the material of many modern screwdriver handles are designed to fit comfortably in the user's hand for user comfort and to facilitate maximum control and torque. Designs include indentation for the user's fingers and surfaces of a soft material such as thermoplastic elastomer to increase comfort and grip. Composite handles of rigid plastic and rubber are also common. Many screwdriver handles are not smooth and often not round, but have flats or other irregularities to improve grip and to prevent the tool from rolling when on a flat surface. Second is drift tip. Some screwdriver tips are magnetic, so that the screw, unless non-magnetic, remains attached to the screwdriver without requiring external force. This is particularly useful in small screws, which are otherwise very difficult to attempt to handle. Many screwdriver designs have a handle with detachable tip, or the part of the screwdriver that hinges the screw, called bits, as with drill bits. This provides a set of handle of and several bits that can drive a variety of screw size and types. Next, drive types of screwdriver. First, Phillips. Phillips screwdrivers come in several standard sizes. This size number is usually stamped into the sand or shaft or handle for identification. Each bit size fits a range of screw size, more or less well. Each Phillips screwdriver size also has a relative shank diameter. The driver has a 57 degrees point and tapered, unsharp, or rounded flutes. The one and smaller bits comes to blunt point, but the two and above have no point, but rather a narrowly squared of tip, making each size incompatible with other. Second is Robertson, also known as square or screw locks. Screwdriver has a square-shaped socket in the screw head and a square protrusion on the tool. Both the tool and the socket have a taper, which makes inserting the tool easier, and also tends to help keep the screw on the tool tip without the user needing to hold it there. Next is reed and prince, also called Pearson, is another historic cross-head screw configuration. The cross in the screw head is sharper and less rounded than a Phillips, and the bit has 45 degrees flux and the sharper pointed end. Also, the Phillips screw slot is not deep as the reed free slot. In theory, different size RMP screws fit any RMP bit size. Next, posi-drift and super-drift. Posi-drift and the related super-drift are widely used in Europe and most of the Far East, while posi-drift screws have cross head like Phillips and are sometimes, though effectively the same. The posi-drift design allows higher torque application than Phillips. It is often claimed that they can apply more torque than any of the other commonly used crosshead screwdriver systems due to a complex plugging or mating configuration. And it is how does the screwdriver work. First, choose a screwdriver size that fits the screw gap. A screwdriver that is too small can twist and damage the tip of screwdriver, and many also damage the screw head. This will make it difficult for us to open the screw. If the size of the screwdriver is larger than the size of the screw, it will lose or come off and cause the physical harm or insult the item. The second is hold the screwdriver perpendicular to the screw. Third, don't open the screwdriver with an uneven or slightly tilted position, as this can damage the screwdriver as well as damage the screw head. If it fails flat, then give a little force so that the screwdriver blade can lock the screw head. Fourth, clean the screwdriver before and after use. A simple thing to note is the cleanliness of the screwdriver. Oil and grease from used material often stick off the eyes of the screwdriver handle. This can be dangerous in its use. Use a clean, dry cloth to clean the screwdriver. The last is replace a screwdriver that already feels difficult to use. It never hurts to replace your screwdriver if it feels difficult to use or it's difficult to look the screw head. And choose a good quality screwdriver with a good base to maintain the quality of the screwdriver and keep it in a place that is not mixed with other tools, like the toolboxes, cabinets, or hung on the wall. And this is the video of operating screwdriver. Enjoy watching. Today, I want to tell you about the use of screwdriver, or how does screwdriver work. I will use the screwdriver. First of all, just the screwdriver style. It will screw. Second is hold the screwdriver perpendicular to the screw. Third is don't open the screwdriver limited or slightly in position. And this can be the screwdriver as well as image the screw head. If it does flat, then it can carry force so that the screwdriver flat cannot be screwed head. Fourth, clean the screwdriver before and after use. A simple thing of the cleaner of the screwdriver. Oil or grease from used material often stick to the side and screwdriver head. Dangerous use is the cutting brake knob to clean screwdriver. Fifth, replace the screwdriver that already feels difficult to use. It never hurts to replace a screwdriver feels difficult to use or is difficult to pull out of screw head and use and choose a good quality screwdriver with a good bed and keep the quality of the screwdriver and keep it complete with other hand tools such as toolboxes, cabinets, or a hung on the wall. And now I will show you how to close this screw with the screwdriver on the back. Don't forget to hold the screwdriver perpendicular to the screw. Close, screw, hold, and I think that's all for today. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yeah, I think that's all for today. I'm sorry if there are some mistakes from my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.